bowl. Ano ba? Hair iron. Ay, hair iron. Ano yun? Akala ko kasi yung cable car na sasakyan namin dito. Yung pataas. Hindi pala. Mahal, tingin ka muna dito. It's been nice here in San Francisco. Like and subscribe.
Like,
Ganon.
comment, and subscribe. Okay.
Hey guys, we're now here in San Francisco. Thank God for an eventful flight. And we're on our way to our hotel. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang pagod. Tulog lang kami sa buong flight. Tapos pag gigising ako, pangpaantok ko yung paggawa ng content kasi I need to submit a content for Cloak and sobrang excited. Pero alam mo yung ramdam mo na yung pagod. So medyo masama na yung pakiramdam mo kasi ang sakit ng katawan mo. Alam mo yun. Kasi grabe yung New York namin. 3 full days in New York is not a joke. Yeah. But there are still a lot more to see. So how was your flight, mahal?
Sleeping flight.
Sleeping flight. Yeah, he was asleep the whole time. Good thing. So, we left New York. Parang, plus 3 hours dun eh. Ngayon, minus 3 na naman. So, parang kaming naglalaro ng oras. Ganun yung ginagawa namin. 20 minutes away from the airport, yung hotel. We're checking in at Hyatt Regency. Care of my cousin, Carlos. Super grateful to him. Grabe, sobrang generous. Kaya lang, hindi namin siya makikita today kasi nanganak yung asawa niya. So, congrats! I have a new pamangkin. Exciting 3 days here in San Francisco. So, for our first meal here in San Francisco, we ate at Ozzy's Burger. Pero, parang hindi lang siya burger kasi ano siya, Mediterranean food. Ayun, Ozzy's Burgers. Yan. Kinain ko lamb. Ay, lamb pala, beef bowl. Ano ba? Sobrang sarap ng beef bowl, guys. As in, punong-puno siya. Tinake out ko pa. Pwede ko pang breakfast bukas. So, ang laman niya, beef, hummus, rice, broccoli, pipino, kamatis, sibuyas.
Tell them first, it's raining.
Salad.
That's why I'm putting
Oo.
something on your head. It's raining, guys.
Yeah, it's raining. So, dyan kami kumain today. Tapos, ito yung hotel namin just across the restaurant. This is Hyatt Regency Hotel. Oh my God! Grabe yung sponsor namin. Ang syala talaga. I'll show you later how beautiful the hotel is in our room. Sobrang ganda ng room namin. Sobrang laki. We don't deserve this but we're prepared to see the blessings. So, this is how it looks like going in our hotel. Oh, see? Motion controlled. So, aakyat ka. Tapos, dun ka sasakay ng elevator. So, nung nag-check-in kami, Pilipino yung nag-check-in sa amin. So, ang bait niya, binigyan niya kami ng orange, binigyan niya kami ng complimentary water bottles for 3 nights. Sobrang bait niya. Galing. Pagka may kapwa Pilipino talaga tayo, grabe yung hospitality. So, ito na, papakita ko na sa inyo yung lobby. Boom! Look at that! Crazy! Crazy, and we're staying in the 8th floor. Crazy. Crazy. Dahil binigyan kami ng complimentary water bottles, we'll claim the 2 today. Sana malaki, no? Sana hindi yung pang 250 ml lang. Pwede rin mag-Uber Eats dito. Tapos pa-deliver lang. Tapos dito i-pick up. Pwede yun. Tapos meron ding may market dito. Tapos merong mga discount silang binibigay sa amin. Ito yung complimentary water bottle. So, 500 ml ba yan? Ilang ml?
Tama.
Oh, 500 ml. Pwede na. Yes. So, we're going to our room now. And, ay wait, tingnan nyo to. Ito yung elevator. Yan o. Makikita mo yung bababa. So, kung may fear of heights ka,
Yeah.
matatakot ka. Like my husband has fear of heights. Yan o, tinan mo, bumababa yung isa. Nakakatakot pag nakikita mo. Going up? Yan.
Oh, thank you.
Pataas na kami. Going to our hotel room.
Floor 8 going up.
So, this is our hotel room. Our floor. Ayan yung floor namin. Boom! Diba? Nakakalula. Hindi tumitingin yung asawa ko. Kasi ito yung baba. Ayan yung baba. Ito yung taas. Nasaan na siya? Yun. Please open. Oh. The lights are closed. So, meron kaming free coffee here. May safe. Merong ref. May lalagyan ng luggage. May cabinet na may hair iron. Ay, hair iron? Ano yun? Ironing board. Kasi ito yung bed namin. Ang laki! Tingnan nyo, sobrang laki. Grabe, king size bed with desk, flat screen TV, lamp, table, sofa, and the view. Tomorrow ko napapakita sa inyo yung view kasi madilim na. Ang ganda ng kulay. Meron pang alarm clock. Kasi ito yung banyo. Wait, buksan natin. Tada! Look at the banyo. May hair dryer, tissue, lotion, soap. Tapos meron pa ditong magnifying mirror. Tapos walang bidet yung toilet. Yun lang. Tapos ito yung shower. Merong ganitong shower, tapos meron pa dito. Ang pihitan nandito sa likod. Yan. O, diba? Ang galing. Tapos may sabitan pa dito. O, diba? Ang ganda. Diyos ko. So, ayun. Magsisettle down na kami. Kasi day 0 namin here in San Francisco. We're very tired and we want to relax tonight. Kasi bukas we'll be meeting with our friends from the feast. And then, my second cousin sa gabi. And then, magsisimba pala kami bukas, 9:30 sa St. Patrick's Church. Walking distance lang here sa hotel. So, galing. Thank you, Lord. Good night, everybody. Bye. Good morning. We are now going out on our way to St. Patrick's Church here in San Francisco. So, magsisimba muna kami because today is Sunday, 9:30 a.m. Mass. Actually, merong Tagalog Mass dito. Kasi dito sa San Francisco, sobrang daming Pilipino. So, may Tagalog Mass pero alas 2. Meron kaming lunch at saka meron kaming pupuntahan today. Maglalakad lang kami. It's an 18-minute walk from our hotel going to the church. Yan nyo guys, nag-iiba-iba siya ng kulay. And this is how it looks like in the morning. Nice, no? By the way guys, today is our 11th day here in the US. Actually, nasa kalahati na ba tayo? Parang wala pa tayo sa kalahati ng trip natin. Parang ang bilis lang. Kasi siguro dahil ang dami na yung pinupuntahan. Kaya parang ang bilis lang ng lahat ng pangyayari. Good morning, San Francisco. We are in the area of Embarcadero. So, it's right smack between, I think, financial district din yata to. Kasi may mga nakikita kong mga offices and banks. Google Maps lang naman tayo. Commute tayo forever. Sa South California lang naman mahirap mag-commute kasi kailangan nakakotse ka. Siya naman ang navigator ngayong araw. Sana tama. Found the church. Ito yung neighborhood. Oh, look at that park. I think this is the entrance. There you go. Mass done. Nakakatuwa yung Pinoy, parish priest nila. Yung choir, mga Pinoy din. Commentator Pinoy, lahat Pinoy. Pero maraming mga puti na nagsisimba din. Pero may Tagalog Mass ng alas 2. So, Putik, ang lamig! Feeling ko kulang yung heat tech ko sa loob kasi manipis yung heat tech ko. Ultra ano lang siya, thin. Pero feeling ko kulang or siguro yung mukha ko yung giniginaw tsaka yung kamay ko. 12 degrees ngayon dito eh. Ito na ba yun? Market Street na ba to? Okay, so dire-diretso lang tayo. Explore sana namin yung bus. Kaso, kailangan pa namin bumili ng Clipper card na sinasabi nila. Eh, wala naman kami nun. So, tignan natin if we still need it. Balik kami ng hotel. Magbubuk kami ng sightseeing bus. From the hotel kasi may buy one, take one sila. O, di ba? Para tipid. So, we're here in the popular tourist spot in San Francisco. Pier 39. Nilakad namin mula sa aming hotel. Nadaanan namin lahat ng pier. Pati yung Alcatraz cruises, nadaanan na rin namin. Pero hindi kami pupunta doon. Dito kami sa Pier 39.
Para rin sa Times Square.
Pero walang ilaw, syempre.
Hindi ka usap.
Wala akong kausap, ate.
Wala ba?
Nagva-vlog lang ako dito. So this is Pier 39. There are a lot of restaurants here, coffee shops, snack. May Mrs. Fields, Baba Gump, may bar and grill with the view of the yachts, mga ganon. But here we are having coffee in Biscoff Coffee Corner. Guys, look at that. I will zoom you to the Alcatraz. It's a cell house here. May movie nito before eh. And that's the Golden Gate Bridge there. We'll go there tomorrow maybe. Ano malamig kasi super hangin. Grabe. So we're riding the cable car na nasa baba. Akala ko kasi yung cable car na sasakyan namin dito, yung pataas, hindi pala. Nasa tapat lang ng hotel namin yung sakay. Good morning. This is our day 2, full day here in San Francisco. This is the view from our hotel room. So, ayun. Hindi ko na kayo na-update kahapon. Alam niyo, ang hirap talaga mag-vlog, lalo na pag may mga kasama kang ibang tao. Syempre, nakakahiya. Alam mo yun, nahiya pa ako. So, yesterday, we went to Pier 39. Naglakad kami from Pier 1 to Pier 39. Medyo malayo. It's a 20-minute walk. And then, after that, nagbumalik ulit kami. Naglakad ulit kami, pabalik ng hotel. Kasi malapit lang yung hotel namin sa ferry building dito sa San Francisco. Nakakatuwa kasi in front of our hotel is the cable car, parang terminal. Ang cable car nila dito parang tram sa Hong Kong, ganun. After nung cable car ride namin, bumalik kami ng hotel for 1 hour, nag-rest kami, nag-work ako, ganyan, sumagot ng mga inquiries. Tapos after nun, nag-Uber na kami going to our dinner place in Daeho Korean Barbecue. Sobrang sarap kagabi. Galbi siya, parang beef galbi with cheese na tinorch. Sobrang sarap din. Tapos meron pang soup na maanghang. Siyempre, masarap yung kimchi. Sobrang daming tao dun sa restaurant na yun. Parang in demand talaga siya. Nag-Uber kami dun, 50 minutes away lang from this place. $9 lang yung Uber namin from our hotel going to that place. Tapos, yun, nagpunta lang kami ng mga pinsan ko, second cousins ko. Thank you pala kay Tita Eileen, kay Colleen, tsaka kay Katri for treating us for dinner last night. And catching up. Second cousins ko sila sa Keeping Side. And then after that, we went to Japantown. It's a mall, pero does it look like a mall? It looks like a plaza wherein a lot of Japanese restaurants, Japanese stores, ramen place, tempura place. Tapos kumain kami ng dessert sa Sophia's Crepes. So, yun. We ordered gelato, pistachio, and cookies and cream. Sobrang sarap. And then after that, they dropped us off here in the hotel. Tapos, nag-Facebook live lang ako dun sa Hong Kong DIY group ko. I got a lot of questions. Tapos yun, kasi maaga pa sa Pilipinas nun, mga 1 to 2 p.m. Tapos dito, 10 p.m. ng gabi. So today, we will be going to Hop on Hop off Big Bus Tour here in San Francisco. So it covers almost all tourist spots here in San Francisco. So hop on hop off yun. So ibig sabihin, pwede kang bumaba, pwede hindi ka bumaba. Pwede kang bumaba, take photos, and then hop on another bus. Actually, the Big Bus San Francisco is also available on Klook, so you can book it there para you can get discounts from my code main Klook. So after that, I'll be meeting with my college barkada, si Berna. Tas free day na kami today. We might explore the BART. Yun yung parang train station nila. Kasi yun yung iniisip naming option namin tomorrow to go back to the airport. Kasi we're going to Seattle. We're riding the Hop on Hop off bus tour here in San Francisco. Ang ganda kasi merong audio. So, nalalaman mo kung ano yung history ng mga tinitignan mo. Every 20 minutes, pwede kang bumaba. Tapos, sakay ka na after 20 minutes sa big bus. Galing. So this is the shopping district daw, according to
Union Square.
Union Square is the shopping district. Yung original flagship store, Macy's, are here in this street. Andito lahat ng brands, Louis Vuitton, lahat. Nandito lahat sila sa street na to, Union Square. Bank daw yan na ngayon, concert hall na. Events place. So, Broadway shows are shown here in the Orpheum Theater. Ano nga daw to, mahal?
Yan ang Civic Center. So, lahat ng mga transactions, big things, mga
Events
pirmahan,
sa
mga
plaza.
events, dito.
Yeah, that's real gold on top. Yung dome na yan, it's the tallest dome in the whole United States.
War Memorial.
War Memorial. Make sure pala pag magbe-big bus kayo, mag-sunblock kayo ng
Yes.
malupit. Kahit malamig, pero masakit sa balat. Look at the houses, guys. So nice. Dati daw, yung lugar na to, wala ang mga plants. Hindi siya park, hindi siya garden. Kasi it's full of sand dunes. But yeah, he was able to make a beautiful park out of the sand dunes.
Nag-mix siya ng manure tsaka ibang klase ng mga fertilizers. And then nag-plant na siya ng trees and grass. Kaya
Yeah.
nagkaroon ng park.
So this neighborhood is artsy neighborhood. So makikita niyo may mga different arts and stuff here.
Hippies and hipsters.
Yung mga hipsters
Victorian
and all.
architecture.
Yeah, Victorian architecture and all.
Hyde and Ashbury Street.
Jimi Hendrix Red House. Circus Center daw to. This is a circus center. Yan. So we are here in the Golden Gate Park. Sobrang famous tourist spot kasi sobrang ganda daw sa loob. We're going down later to check it out kasi a lot of tourists daw talaga go here. It's one of the best parks in the US. So we are here in Golden Gate Park. This is one of their largest parks here in San Francisco. And actually, sobrang laki niya na ang dami mong magagawa. So from points of interest like bridges, gardens, lakes, recreational facilities, park services, oh my God. Sabi nung big bus tour, you can spend the whole day here in the Golden Gate Park. Some parks also have entrance fees, pero hindi naman kami masyadong mahilig.
Sa Bulaklak.
Actually, maganda yung mga bulaklak, pero hindi mo kami masyadong mahilig. Pero if you're a fan of flowers, nature, gardens, you should come here. It's like their Central Park daw. Diba? We went to Central Park, New York. So this is like their Central Park here in San Francisco. You can rent bikes here. It's a living museum of plants, as they say. Ayan o, admission rates, adults, weekends. Ay, weekdays, $17 tsaka $14. Seniors discounted, youth, children discounted. Dito lang tayo sa labas. Tada! Marami pa yan sa loob, malaki siya. So, hindi na kami papasok. Kasi, antayin na namin yung bus kasi next stop dyan ay Golden Gate Bridge na. Yun yung gusto namin makita. Ito na yung bus namin. Mahal, tingin ka muna dito. Malamig. Guys, ito na yung much awaited tourist spot here in San Francisco. It is a must. You can't go to San Francisco without doing this
Or
and
seeing
looking
it.
at this. Tada! That's the Golden Gate Bridge, guys. This is the viewing deck. Here we are here in the Palace of Fine Arts. It's open to the public. It's free. Pictorial sila.
Dito kita yung kanya.
Ganda, no? Dapat dito, mahal. So guys, we are here in the crookedest street in the world, here in San Francisco. So it's a residential area, as you can see. Bumababa sila. 7 sharp turns siya. Pero bababa na kami kasi we're going to Fisherman's Wharf. Ito na kami sa Fisherman's Wharf. Tourist spot din to. Madaming pumupunta dito na turista. May music pa kayong maririnig. May nagbabasking dito. So this is beside the pier. Marami kainan around. We're eating later at Main's Lobster. My Lobster. Charot. There's also a Ferris wheel here. Welcome to my restaurant. Ay, mali. My Lobster. So dito kami kakain ngayon kasi malamang nasa may dagat ka, so might as well eat the best lobster here in San Francisco. It's been nice here in San Francisco. Ito talaga yung parang nasa Amerika ka talaga. So parang sabi niya, maglilimpo ko. Punta kayo
Punta
dito.
lahat.
Punta lahat sila kahit may pasok
Kasama yung
sila.
mga bata o kahit may pasok the following day.
Tsaka
Ayan,
malinaw
Charmaine.
siya. Siyempre, i-click mo. Ayan.
Ano ngayon? March.
Yeah, it's March 4.
It's March
our last
4.
day in San Francisco.
Kasama ko si Charmaine at si Mike. Kasi yung face mo.
Hi!
Yun siya.
Hi!
Si Mike.
Thanks to Carlo, Daddy Carlo, newly. Pwede mo yan yung joystick.
Oh, I can control this.
Ay!
Yun! Ayun siya. Yun! Look at my hat. Yeah! Anyway, hi Lance. Ay, wait lang. Lance. Kamusta ka, Lance? Ha? Pinsan na si Asher nyo si...
Charlie.
Carly! Hi, Tita Ijo. Hi, Tito Boy. What up? Kasama ko si Asher, vlogger na ako. Ay, pero ang hirap control ng camera niya, eh.
Meron
Yun!
niyang face detect.
Yun! What up?
May hilo yung viewers ko niyan.
Watch kayo, ha?
Like and subscribe.
Like,
Ganon.
comment, and subscribe. Okay? It's the best. Mwah!